having all for Christmas.
We might not get home. Driving home for Christmas. Oh, look at that.
I hope everyone's safe in this accident.
Wow,
Look at how they come so fucking fast there.
it's fucking scary.
Got the snow coming down now. Christmas special. Gotta have the snow.
Take your time here. Oh, it's coming down thick. We're coming up to Arenig fawr now. The conditions are getting quite bad. Windy, heavy snow coming in, and we don't really know where we're going.
Fucking hell, ouch. Look at that. Bit windy, snow about. Still heading off. See what we can find. Bit windy. There you go, lad. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. It's a great all up. Weather's changing all the time. Snow's coming down quite heavy at times. And the old lad.
I'll say.
Right, so we'll head up now. See if we can come across any more views. Nothing better than the old Christmas specials, are they? Oh, look. You can hardly see the mountains there. Ooh. I see a bit of snow. The wind's picking up.
It's coming in sideways.
We will try and find a little rock covering somewhere up.
Yeah.
Wait to make a brew or something.
Yeah, we've got to get some shelter soon. It's in grim condition.
Yeah. But we can wait to get underneath something. See what we come across today. What we call today?
Okay, right.
Could do with finding rock fall really, so we can make a move something, swallow ourselves up. Oof. Bobby. We put on board. It's like, they're like a hiking shelter. Taking it up, mate. Look, it's but you could have a look. It's a bit slippy by there, Rob. Well, look anyway, see if it's open. Look like you've been water coming. Hello? Oh.
Yeah, with the body.
Yeah. No. Yeah, we'll probably get a...
There's a Santa out here for us as well.
Fair dudes.
Someone's kipping in here.
There's somebody's been here, hasn't he?
Yeah, some beer cans. Oh, the tarp down there. There's some mats on the bed. And someone's left the pot noodle for us. And a can of Carling. Yes.
Look at that. Fair dudes.
Wow. What a place.
Oh.
You can definitely have a kip in here.
That's when we should get a brew going.
Ah, look at them conditions outside. Wow. Go inside me.
Oof. My tripod snapped.
Oh, no way.
Yeah,
Someone's kipping in here or what? You got it?
Yeah.
Drinking a brew with you?
Yeah.
It stinks a bit, that gas, doesn't it?
Yeah, no. We're going off before I continue.
I'll get my cup ready. I've got a spare sachet of coffee, I think.
I got two there, anyway.
Hoping this fire's having it, like, isn't it?
The candle's still burning.
Yeah. I'll try and get this on top of it. Gosh. I'm burning myself. Oh, no, the candle's gone out now.
There you are.
There you are.
Fucking cool.
Give us a candle. I thought you were the fire starter anyway.
Look, a big one.
No way. There's a fucking bottle of Jack Daniels here. Bo!
There's a couple of that on it.
No.
100% proof.
Is it? Fucking hell, someone's left some Jack Daniels. I'm gonna swig of that. Thing is, we don't use fucking. Someone could have put anything in it.
Look at that one.
Have you got any paper? Someone's left fucking. Someone's been here recently. That's still in date. I reckon someone's gone for a walk and left their food here. There's a full pot noodle. Someone's going to be back here in a bit, I reckon.
That's bloody fucking sense.
Eh?
Right.
I think it's too damp, this wood. Alright, gonna...
The water's on.
Give it 5 minutes, see if it'll burn on it. Well, the fire isn't going very well, is it?
No.
Oh dear.
I got it wrong, really.
Should have got one of them fire candle things, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
I tell you what though, there's some scruffy fuckers who are coming here because
Yeah.
they've left all their food
Yeah,
on the
left a
floor
lot of rubbish here.
and you're going to get rats in here. So if you do come here,
You know, take your rubbish with you, like.
take your rubbish home.
You know,
Don't be a scruff.
can't beat it. Yeah. This is the life.
I'm definitely coming here for an overnighter. 100%. Is that even recording?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, aye.
What do you reckon? Should we take the risk? Has someone poisoned it?
Can't see it.
Smells like Jack Daniels. There's no smell of piss in it. Have a whiff of that.
Yes, Jack. Yes, Jack.
No, I'll have the can of Carlin though. Fuck it.
Oh, aye. I'll tell you what.
Someone's left 20p.
I'll tell you what we'll do while we're here too.
What's
Let's try something. The old lad there, have a can. Go on, sunshine. Have you got your back? Hey man, but I'm not going down the lift. Look at that. Here, here he comes. We could do him. What we could do him?
Come back just to tidy up, yeah. Beautiful there.
We need to cross the stream by here, don't we?
I see it up.
Come on. Come on, Rob. Good lad, good lad. That's fucking people, isn't it? Yes. Oh, well, look how choppy it is. See how choppy it is? Job, shall I? Yeah,
Maybe we got time now. It's not that far.
on the Christmas special, on a freezing cold day, for the viewers.
Oh, he's gone! He's gone! Oh. No, the first fall of the day. Yes. That's for you, Mike.
Go on, you.
That's for Mike, that is.
Oh, ready carefully now. Yeah, go on. You go first.
I will. Yeah, there's no stakes in here. There's a bit of a path down there, I think. Things you do.
Christmas special.
You better give us a like and a subscribe for this. Woo. That's where we're going.
Oh, that's fucking weather. I've been taking a bit of a battery for this Christmas special. Look at the snow. Go on, head down that way. Might be better, Rob, to walk along that way coming back. A what?
You can wait down the bottom if you want.
I know. Has to stick together really, won't we?
Yeah. It's like extra video.
Oh. Foggy, isn't it?
Not that far now, yeah.
No. Oh shit, hang on. Right. A lot of water, isn't it?
It better be worth it. There's the bothy over there.
Right, the other side.
Over there. Oh, I dropped my button for my stick as well.
Ah.
I have there's some caves up here. I'm gonna have to go back up.
There'll be a cave after all this. Fell over twice.
We need a load of water.
That's probably the wind coming over the mountain. Robson River here. There's a little stream. There comes Santa. Dragged us all the way up there to a cave that wasn't a cave. Fell over 3 times. Oh, he's well proud of himself. Oh. Right, we're going to be end of the video now. We're just going to check the fire in the bomb. He's gone out, and then head back to the car. Right, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya. Cheers.